Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It has been a minute since I have filmed a makeup tutorial, but I was dying to film with this collection and I had some time this morning, so I was like, you know what? We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. So without further ado, we're gonna be playing with the Makeup Shayla times Colourpop Proceed with Caution collection. Fuzz. Animals. I'm so excited to try this collection. I didn't get a chance to try her first one, so when I saw this one come out, I said, you know what? It's time. We gotta try it. So on the Colourpop website, I'm just gonna zoom me out just a smidge here. On the Colourpop website, you can get this entire collection for like $49, and for some of you that need help financially, they have Afterpay, which is awesome. So you can pay for this whole collection for $49 in 4 installments over 2 weeks at a time, which is really cool. So I picked up the collection. It comes with 2 blushes, 2 lip kits, and then the eyeshadow palette, which I'm super excited to try. So today we're going to try a little bit of it all. I did my brows and my complexion off camera. Please apologize for the breakouts or forgive them or whatever you want to do. I don't know what's going on with my face, but I have a voice, allergies. What can we do? Yeah, I'm just really excited to try the palette. Add some fun liner, try a blush. Anytime a woman of color comes out with a collection, I'm here for it and I want to try it out and support. So congratulations to you, Shayla, and I'm super excited to try this. So if you want to see me do a fun pop summer glow bronzy beautiful look, then just keep watching. So it came with a 9-piece eyeshadow palette, and this is what the palette looks like. It's in a nice plastic, and the colors, guys, are incredible. Look at this. They're stunning. They're beautiful for summer. I'm loving this like bright orange and the yellows and the champagnes in here. So we're going to have a lot of fun with that. I'm very excited to try these. And then, yeah, as we go, we'll try out a blush and then we can try out a lip kit and see how it goes. How have you guys been? How's everyone doing? My life has been so crazy, and you know, while that feels like it's a great thing, it's taking away from my social stuff, and that kind of sucks, but at the same time, it's kind of like, what can you do? What can you do? Okay, so I'm thinking for the palette look, we do like, I haven't done a cut crease on my channel now that I think about it, a soft cut crease, but we'll, you know, gather like the deeper colors out in the corner, we'll cut it, put the champagne orange in the front, maybe a pop of yellow, and then I have like blue liner that I want to use. I thought that would look pretty cool. We'll see though. We're going to try it out and see. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can watch me do the eye look. Hey. Okay, so I'm going to start out with Culture right here, which is the center brown shade. This is just my transition shade. I don't imagine it will give me a ton of color. I mean, we'll see. We're about to find out. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Excuse me. I mean, when these swatched, they really had quite a bit of pigmentation to them, so I'm not shocked, but that, okay, that's good, that's good. Oh yeah, it's like 9:30 in the morning, yeah, and I have to go to work right after this, so I hope everyone really likes my, you know, bold, easygoing work look. I work at a, for a theater company, and everyone's really pretty easygoing, so I'm not terribly worried about them being like, oh, Michaela, your makeup. They don't care at all. Okay, so I'm just slowly blending this in. This is my Makeup Forever shader brush. It's like a medium shader brush. And I'm just finding that I am swiping this back and forth just to create some depth and give like some color dimension. It's the closest color to my shade in the palette. And I'm really trying to just stick with the palette and no other colors. So that's that. And then I want to go in with Maintenance, which is this beautiful like reddish brick color. It actually reminds me of this really old Makeup Forever color, and I'm gonna forget the number, but me and the girls when we worked at Sephora years ago used to constantly use this color. And what I'm going to do is take it and like shove it really kind of intensely right in the crease so that can help us with our cut crease later on. See what I mean? Just to add some more depth. This one is a Luxie 229. This is a tapered blending. It's a lot smaller. And that really can help get in the crease when you're about to do a cut crease. This is like blown out sunset smoky meets cut crease meets pop of blue. It's very ocean pop art. Beach pop art? Sunset pop art? Something like that. I don't know. It's okay too. Sometimes I like look up like this. And so you can feel where like your eye socket and your brow bone meet, and then you can kind of press and go in that way. So from there, oh my god, want to cut the crease already? Do we want to cut the crease already? That was quick. Loving it. Cool. Okay. Let's take, this is my Pro Flat Concealer from Sephora Collection, actually. It's just a little flat guy. And I'm going to pick up some Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. The color I have is Warm Beige, and I'm just going to cut the crease. A fun little technique I learned, I'm actually going to put just some concealer on the back of my hand. A fun little technique that I learned was to pick it up on like a flat shader brush. I don't even know who I learned this from. Shoot. I don't remember. But as we kind of, do I have a mirror on this thing? Yes, I do. Oh, wow, Michaela. So what we're going to do is kind of start in the center here and pull down on the lid with the concealer. I did not put nearly enough concealer on, but that's okay. We can fix that. And then just kind of carve out where you want the concealer to go for the cut crease. And then a little fun trick is if you look up, wherever the concealer ends up kind of touching from looking up, that's where your crease should be. So my crease is actually always over a little bit from where my natural eyelid kind of meets up. So just a fun little tip that I learned. Okay, now to add some shimmer. I'm so excited. Okay, let's go in. Oh my god. How do you pick? I'm just going to kind of blend them all together, I guess. I'm going to start with Dead End right here. Pick that up on my MAC 242, and I'm just going to tap this, swipe this all over the lid first. This glitter in particular has almost like a chunky glitter quality to it. Not that that's a bad thing, it's just more of an observation. Follow right along where you made that cut crease, where you laid down that concealer. Oh, yes! Okay, and then go back in with a little bit more maintenance on that tapered blending. And we're just going to touch up that outer corner. Kind of give it like this feathered, brushy kind of feeling. Awesome. Okay, from here, let's add some Warning. Oh my god, I love this color. It's like the orange. Where is it? Right here, that orangey. And I'm actually just going to tap it right on top. Just so we have that like double dimension feel of the two golds. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Lots of blending, lots of blending. Go back in with that tapered brush, no extra product, keep blending. So I'm going to go in with Gloves On right here, which is that dark like black. It's got a little bit of flecks of like rusty, bronzy like glitter in it, and we're just going to dab that on the outer corner ever so lightly. These are very pigmented, so a little bit goes quite a long way. And then dust that up into the crease just again on the outer corner, and then do your outer flick. See that? Look how I barely dabbed it. Wow. Okay, blend it out. Alright, let's hope I can recreate this on the other eye. So we're gonna go in with caution now. Finally, I cleaned off that Makeup Forever brush to the best of my abilities. It had glitter in it from another thing that I did, so I'm going to pick up that Caution, that yellow. Yeah. And then we're just going to dab that on the inner corner. Oh my god, look how pretty. It's the most beautiful goldenrod shade when you blend it in with these metallics. It really is beautiful. And we're just going to like drag it right across that cut crease right there too. Okay, so I'm going to add this blue liquid liner. I may have to do it off camera, but I'm hoping it creates a really cool pop of color. It's this really pretty like electric blue. Just see how it looks. This is from Sephora Collection. I don't even know if they make these anymore. This is called Pool Party number 6. They're great felt tip liquid liners. Oh yeah, that's going to create a really cool... Alright, I'm going to do the rest off camera. I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back, and I did the eyes. I finished the eyes. So I used the blue liquid liner to make my cat eye, my wing. It is phenom. And then I went in with Velour lashes in Whispie Sweet Nothings, just to give more of a fullness to the eye. Now we're going to work on the bottom of the eye real quick. I actually want to do black liner, and then smoke it out with that like reddish maintenance, that brick red color. So we're just going to go in, add a little black. I also am going to do it right under there just to connect the lashes a little more. This look is very daytime appropriate. Okay, and then let's take, this is my Morphe E18, my little smudger guy. It has a little bit of black on it, which is okay because I always use it to smudge out liner, which is probably why. And we're going to take a little bit of that maintenance on there, and then we're going to go in and smoke that out. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Well done, Shayla. Okay, I want to move on to blushes. I'm just gonna spoon out. Zoom out. Michaela? Spoon out a little. Okay, so this is Whistle Where You Work. It's like a beautiful pink, beautiful flush on the cheeks. I can tell that's what that's gonna do. And then we have Construct. It's always a struggle to open a package. I don't know. There's just some things in this life I can do, and then there's things in this life I can't do. Oh my god, they're both so pretty. And then this is Construct. I think I'm going to use Construct. Construct. Is there a proper for that? Construct. And then I put a little bronzer. I put a little bronzer on my face in Ipanema Sun from Becca, and then I'm going to go in with this blush, Construct. I don't know. I'm just going to dab that and then flush that into the cheeks. Melt that right into the skin, get on those apples. Oh, I love that. And go heavy-handed, because I always do with blush. Why not? Put a little there. Even bring it up into the bronzer a little bit. That is such a gorgeous color. Guys. I love that. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of, where is it? My Fenty powder, just because when I get really crazy with blush, sometimes it picks up into like these little pockets of my cheekbones that I don't love. But it's my own fault because I'm obsessed with blush. Okay, and I'm just going to, I love this technique actually here. So I pick up a little bit. This is on my Luxie Precision Foundation brush, but I love it for powder. And I take a little loose powder, the banana powder from Fenty Beauty, and I just like slowly sweep down right next to my nose. See, it just creates that beautiful See? So the blush is still there, the bronzer is still there, but now we just have this like beam right in the center of the face, and I just love it. It just can't get enough. Okay, finishing touches. So I just added a bit of my Fenty Beauty Fairybomb. This is in 24 Kray, just to give a nice flush, a nice glow. I didn't want anything super crazy, but this still picks up a lot. And I put that on my my Moda brushes, Highlight and Glow, and then I just kind of press and push that into the skin. I'm gonna burp, sorry. Then I wanted to go back with a little bit more bronzer, put that all together, so you know the drill. So from there, I want to do lip kits, and I think I'm going to try, I don't know if there's one, I think it's Proceed with Caution. It's the deeper of the two, the more nude of the two. Yeah, with this chocolate liner. I've heard nothing but wonderful things as I've been looking all over this with Instagram and such. So we're gonna do this one. We're gonna line the lips. Guys, it is so creamy, this pencil. It's amazing. So I'm gonna take my concealer brush and just blend the lip liner out. Just to fuse it into the lips. So after I've diffused that out, we're going to go in with Slow Down Liquid Lip and see how this applies. Oh my god. Mm-hmm. So that's a really fun lip. I absolutely adore that. If anyone wants to see, I'm going to just swatch the other one, Proceed with Caution, on my hand. This is Proceed with Caution. So it's the lighter brown of the two, and then this is the Liquid Lip in Speed Up. It's also another really beautiful lip combo. It's more of like your pinky nude with a chestnut brown, even a lighter. This is, well, no, that's like a chestnut. This is like a mocha lip liner with the nude. This is awesome. This, wait a minute. Yes, Proceed with Caution. They're both called that. I'm sorry. But this is the BFF 3 liner there. And this is the BFF 4 lip liner that I used on my lips. So, yay! I'm just going to spray myself down. I'm going to use a little Hangover 3-in-1. So, this is the completed look, and I am super impressed with this collection. The pop of yellows, the palette's gorgeous, the blush, the lip, like I'm in a good place. I'm very happy right now, and I'm very proud of you, Shayla. This is a beautiful collection. If you can get your hands on this on Colourpop for $49, do it. $49, $58, something like that for the whole collection. Yeah, so that's the completed look. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns. I was really happy just to sit down and be able to film for you guys, get back into the swing of things. And thank you for always just being supportive when I go through these really terrible lulls with things going on in my personal life. Like, it just means a lot. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. And I will talk to you guys soon. Okay? Bye.